ICF is about 63% more expensive than traditional framing. Let me explain. To accurately provide a comparison between ICF and traditional framing, I need to explain a few points that help illustrate this. Point one, we're going to build a scenario in which the house that we're constructing is a 50 by 50, 2,500 square foot build with 9-foot walls. Point two, we have to remove a few things that don't add to the comparison. So we're going to remove footers, stem walls, we don't need those, crawl space, interior framing walls, slab on grade, trusses, any of that stuff. We are only comparing a 9-foot wall by 200 linear feet, comparing the two methods, ICF versus stick frame. And the third point is I'm a builder in Eastern Washington, so the prices reflect this specific area. This is what it's going to take to build a 6-inch cavity ICF wall. Materials total up to be about $9,900. We had rebar, $1,200, concrete to fill the cavity, $5,700, bracing and planking to aid in the construction of the wall, around $400, wall supports to construct this wall and keep it perfectly plumb during pour, $2,400. The total price to construct the wall, just the materials, $19,600. The materials to construct a framed wall are comprised of 2x6s at $1,600 roughly, a zip R 6.6 sheathing at $4,900. Because we're comparing an insulated wall, we're going to include insulation at $2,600 and then fasteners at $600. To build a 2x6 wall, $9,700. Now those are the material costs for both building practices. Labor to construct an ICF wall, about $10,800. Now the labor to construct a traditionally framed 2x6 wall, $9,400 to construct just the exterior wall. When we compare ICF to traditional framing, and you look at the prices side by side, supply materials and labor for ICF, it's about $30,400. When you look at the traditional building method, the price is about $19,100. If you want to compare the square footage price for just the wall assembly, ICF is just under $17 a square foot. Your traditional stick frame is just under $11 a square foot. Bottom line is, yes, ICF is a more expensive way to build. However, it is a far superior method over the traditional stick building. If you guys are interested in more building insight like this, go ahead and follow. But either way, the main takeaway is that